And this what this is, baby. It's the Salvage King edition. Yo, 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 this your boy, the Salvage King, right back at you with another one, baby. Today we busting down this 73 convertible. Everything coming on. Everything coming out. Got T-Hub, shop foreman. Got T-Style, the head technician. Head technician, baby. 7-3, baby. Everything must go. Small block 400, whoever want it. Small block 400. Whoever want it. Got that chrome grill for you right there. All right, there now, Salvage King right back at you with another one. Y'all see it. There go the fender. There go the hood. There go the other fender. The other fender liner. Front bumper off. She coming together, baby. My man like he know what he doing.
Yeah, he know.
Uh-huh. You see it.
Everything is brand new.
Same way we tearing it down, it's gonna go back together just like a puzzle. We're gonna put this SS Monte Carlo on pause though. We gotta put this one on pause. Cause we got the big dog over here. Gotta fix the big dog over here. You see it?